Hello friends, welcome back. I hope you're fine and safe. In the previous session, we discussed clearly the toolkits that are available in the Huawei Mobile Services, and we started discussing the Huawei Mobile Services ML kit. I hope you liked the session, and this session we are going to talk about the scan kit. We have multiple kits available, 60 plus kits available with 13,000 and close to 13,000 APIs available with HMS, and this time we are going to go deeper into the scan kit. Well, it's really powerful. It supports all the formats that you need. QR code, data metrics, PDF 417, EAN8, code 128, code 93, and whatnot. All the formats are clearly supported. Well, it also has got enhanced recognition. It detects the barcodes despite low visibility, glare, damaged barcode can also be recognized, distorted, blurred one. Everything is recognized, and I'm going to show you some demos as well. Auto zoom is supported, and most importantly, we also have multi-code detection, which means you can process up to 5 barcodes simultaneously. Barcode generation can also be done, and it can convert your input to 1D or 2D barcodes. And finally, we have got structured data extraction happening through this toolkit. This is all really very powerful, and we can see some of the demos of all these features as well quickly, so that you can realize the power of how exactly ScanKit is going to support you in the app building process. And this kit offers optimal experience, which uses multiple computer vision technologies, which can improve the success rate as well as the scanning accuracy. Easy to use, and this definitely will be very easy for the end user as well as the developer to build it, and wide coverage. And these three are most important aspects that someone would be really happy to go ahead with the scan kit. Now you could see that it's all perfect and precise scanning which is happening right here. That's just a simple example. And when you go with orientation related stuff, you could see that it was slightly slanting in orientation, but still it was recognized nicely. And if you see that here, this orientation is definitely angled one, but still this one is also perfectly recognized. Illumination is very important as well, and this one is having poor illumination, and that's also very clearly recognized, and you could see that it's fast. And you could see that this is again placed in a different angle, yet illumination is going to be troubled a little bit as well. It's not a normal regular illumination that we actually expect. And this one is going to be again very close with the different illumination levels we have tried, and all these are really perfect, and the output is precise. And color code, go ahead and you can see the demo. I'm recognizing the color code so easily with our scan kit, and this is all possible. The motion blur, we can have the output very clearly recognized, and the code is clearly recognized. The scanning is done perfectly through our scan kit, and this gets you a perfect output. And even the slightly deformed barcode is also recognized clearly, and you could see that immediately we get output for this. Partially shaded, at times we see this, quite often we see this, and we could get that recognized as well, and it will not take a lot of time for you to get that done. I hope this was useful for you to understand what are the features that we have really with the scan kit, and if you want to read more, you can go through documentation that's available with HMS. I'm sure this toolkit will bring a lot of value add to a table, and you can build apps that need scanning at your fingertip. Thank you very much for following my channel, the content. I hope it was useful. In case you have any questions, please go ahead and type it in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to answer. Thank you.